Hello, welcome to my channel. This is a quick tutorial on how to make a face jewelry. Let's go! Don't forget to like the video, please. It will help me a lot and it is free. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more videos. This is a very unique face jewelry. It's perfect for uh, costume events, photo shoots, you name it. Be careful not to scratch the wire. Tell me, is this something you can wear out? Let me know in the comment section, because I am not afraid to wear very bold jewelry. Just leave the comment. Is it something you can wear? Or it's something you can wear for a special occasion? Just let me know. Now this is the fun part. You mold it to your face. It got caught in my hair. Oopsie daisy. I was able to untangle it and voila, here we are. Please let me know if it's something you can try. It's a very easy DIY. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.